Hi guys, so this is Mrs. Hines and Alyssa. We are here to talk to you about attributes of shapes. So the first one I'm going to remind you of is a polygon, which we learned about on Thursday. Alyssa, could you show us some polygons and tell us what they
It's a hexagon.
A heptagon, great job. What are some other polygons?
One, two, three, four. A trapezoid.
A trapezoid. And you know what I noticed she just did? You counted 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what you were counting?
What?
The sides.
Yep.
Which is one of the things we're going to talk to you about today. So, we are talking about, I'm reminding you what a polygon is. Alyssa is holding up the different polygons. It's a closed shape with no curves or crossing lines. And so up here I have some polygons for you, and Alyssa showed you a couple. Okay. The next thing you'll notice is she was counting the sides. Oh, and I don't know if you noticed, we both have our bows. Alyssa made sure we needed bows for this lesson. So, Alyssa, can you count the number of sides on this one?
But I already did.
Oh, you did, and how many were there?
3.
3. There's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you count the sides, it tells you what shape it is. Because different shapes have different names, and a lot of it is based on their side. So the side is a line that closes a shape. So, that's all right, Alyssa. I lost my marker. Okay. So this is a side, and this is a side, a side, a side. So that is a square, and it has 4 sides. Okay. The next thing we're going to teach you is about a vertex, or more than one is called a vertice. Everybody say vertex. Alyssa, can you say vertex?
Vertex.
Great. So a vertex is where 2 lines meet on a polygon. So it's like the points or the corners. Okay? So Alyssa, this is a vertex. And this, and this, and this. So those are the points or the vertex where the lines meet. Okay? So, Alyssa, can you point to one of the vertices? Or vertex is one, vertices is more than one. Great. Can you show it? Can you do it again so that everybody can see?
1.
Perfect. Can you count the vertices?
2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so there are 6 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this shape. Okay, and sometimes they use it. Most of the time, it'll have the same number of vertices as sides. Okay, so the next shape that I'm going to show, or the next thing I'm going to talk about is intersecting lines. That is where 2 lines meet on a polygon. Where 2 lines cross or meet. So they meet at a vertice, okay, and that's where they meet. Or a crossing line could be like this, okay?
Okay.
And then the last thing I'm going to teach you about is called parallel lines. Alyssa, can you say parallel lines?
Line?
Yeah, parallel lines. So, 2 parallel lines are lines that will never meet. I call them the lonely lines. So, everybody, I'm going to say this and then I'll have you say it. Parallel lines are the loneliest lines. Can you say that?
Only line.
The loneliest lines. So parallel lines are the loneliest lines. And they're lonely because they will never, ever meet or never, ever, ever touch. So over here are 2 lines that will never touch. They will just go forever and ever and ever in the same direction, pointing in the exact same direction, so they'll never meet. Now, lines that maybe go like this, they'll go, and eventually meet. So here I have a square. And so the parallel lines, this one would have two sets of parallel lines. Okay, so this and this are parallel, and this one and this one are parallel because they will never ever touch. I wonder if I can zoom you in on that. No, I can't zoom in very well. Okay, so let me see if I can do it this way. Okay, and so if I were to take this line and kind of make them arrows like this, because we'd say lines never ever end, right? So if I were to take this and go forever and ever and ever, it would just go on this way and on this way forever and ever and ever. And it will never ever touch each other, okay? Not ever. They will just go on forever. Same thing with this one. It'll go on forever. And they will never ever touch because they are so lonely, okay? Now, if I had, like, let's say, a trapezoid. Well, here, I'll draw it on this. So, I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm going to trace my little trapezoid. Okay. So, if I have this trapezoid, and I were to take the lines, yeah, okay, I know, no. And if I were to draw two of the lines, they are parallel lines. So, this one and this one are parallel. Okay, hold on, Melissa. Now, if I were to trace these lines, they will eventually meet and cross right here. So those are not parallel. So this shape, trapezoid, has one set of parallel lines, this one and this one. This one and this one are not parallel because they will meet and cross eventually. All right, Alyssa. So these kids are going to take a look at some shapes that I have for them on this assignment, and they are going to tell me its attributes. So attributes are the name of the shape, so it's the side, how many vertices, how many sides, how many vertices, if it has parallel lines, you're going to take a look at each shape. Now these ones we're going to talk about on different days. So I have them up here, but we're going to add to our list as we go. All right, let me know if you have any questions. You can always send a message saying, Mrs. Hines, I'm not sure about this shape, and I can always send you a comment. I can give you a video comment with me. I can just give you a voice comment at the bottom that you can listen to. So there's lots of ways I can help. So don't think, oh, I don't know how to do this, and just worry, because I am here to help. I can help. You know, if maybe like a family member isn't able to, or if they're working, ask me, okay? All right, Alyssa, can you say goodbye?
Bye.
See you guys.